American Electrical introduces pneumatic ferrule crimpers. First is the PC24-14H handheld ferrule crimper. This high-quality crimper includes a universal die which offers the flexibility of crimping from the sides as well as the front. Next is the benchtop PC24-14B. This unit includes a foot pedal allowing for efficient activation of the crimper in a workbench setting. The crimper itself contains a dish for ferrules and allows multi-directional entry into the universal die. Available today from American Electrical.
Hi, this is Tom McCormick, President of American Electrical Incorporated in Richmond, Virginia. I want to thank you for trusting us with your business. We pride ourselves on responding quickly, delivering quality, internationally approved product on time, every time, at a competitive price. When you think inside the box, think American Electrical, your trusted industrial control component partner. Thank you.